Hi everyone, David here from daviddumaisaudio.com, and in this video I want to show you guys 6 places where you can get some nice high quality sound effects for absolutely free. And if by the end of this video you go to all these 6 places, you should have about probably 40,000 plus sound effects in your portfolio. So I'll make sure to put a link in the description for each of these places. And if you know of any other places that you can get some nice high quality sound effects for free, make sure to leave it in the description for everyone to be able to enjoy. So without any further ado, let's have a look at where you can get these free sound files. All right, so the first place I have picked out here is Boom Library. So if you just go to boomlibrary.com, you just click up here on the left side, top left side here, get free sound effects. Click on there, you join their email list, and every month they send you free sound effects. So it's kind of a growing list. And also, you might think that maybe they kind of reuse, sound effects after a year of being on their list, but they actually don't. So I've been on their list for over a year, and even though they send sounds from the same sound pack, they're actually different sounds, which is really nice because you're always getting new sound effects from them. So that's awesome. All right, the next place here is Krotos Audio. So if you go krotosaudio.com, just at the top here in their menu, click on their free sound effects. Same idea here, put your name and your email address and you sign up, and then you get some free sound effects. And again, every month you'll get free sound effects from them. So if you're on their email list, you get new and free sound effects from them every month. All right, another place you can get free sound effects is at asoundeffect.com. So for this one, once you're on their website, just scroll down to the very bottom. And again, just sign up here on their for their newsletter. Sign up here and you get your free sound effects every issue. So I think it's every month or so, they send a new sound pack or new sound effects bundle that you can use for your projects. All right, these last 3 are a bit bigger bundles. So here you have 25 gigabytes of high quality sound effects. This is from WeSoundEffects, WeSoundEffects.com. And so you get a whole bunch of different stuff from different sound designers and companies. So I'll put a link in the description for that. But again, huge sound pack, a whole ton of different kind of sounds that you'll get, including, you can read it here: animals, monsters, ambiences, backgrounds, drones, textures, pretty much anything you might need for a project. So yeah, really great place to get sound effects. Next one, this is huge and popular. Every year, Sonus puts out their GDC sound pack, which is like multiple gigabytes worth of sound effects every year for free. So if you just look at 2020, they have 14 parts to download because there's just so many sounds. But you can also go back and for each year prior, so from all the way back to 2015, and they're just you have all these new sound effects. And I'm not 100% sure, but as far as I'm aware, I don't think any of them are the same. I might be wrong about that. Maybe somebody can correct me, but from what I've downloaded, they're all kind of different sounds, and it's really awesome, good quality stuff here. All right, the last place I'll mention is free to use sounds. So this guy is a recorder, like a field recording artist, a field recorder, whatever you call it, field recordist. And anyways, so he has some free sound packs. So if you go to their website, on this page here, they have some free sound libraries that are royalty-free sound effects. So, they have a whole bunch. Most of them are kind of like Foley stuff or ambiences and different places that they've been. But you can get some cool different kind of sound. So, if you just click on these, for example, this one here, they have a lot you can see here. And here, so it takes you to their Bandcamp site, and then from here you can purchase it. It's a buy. It's like a name your price. So you could just put 0 in here if you wanted to, and you could get this sound pack for free. So they also have some paid sound packs that you can get, and they're relatively they're very well priced for what it is. So you can get a lot of cool and free sounds from freetoUseSounds.com. And that's pretty much it. So these are my 6 places that I've gone to get free sound effects for my work. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And of course, please share if you guys have other places, other sites where you get free sound effects that you can use royalty-free in projects, especially commercial projects or any kind of project. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, of course, leave it in the comments below. I always do my best to answer them. And that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.